Hello guys, welcome back to our channel that is Homeopathic Trials. Today we are going to study a remedy without which homeopathy literally wouldn't have existed or discovered, that is China or Cinchona. Today we will study this remedy in detail by linking it to the cartoon character Nobita from the famous cartoon series Doraemon. So without wasting much more time, let's begin with our video. But before beginning guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get notified about our content. So, China or Cinchona is a remedy belonging to the family Rubiaceae and Miasm malarial. The main feeling in the remedy Cinchona is a feeling of being hindered, stuck, persecuted, or tortured because of himself being weak. This exact same feeling can be seen in the cartoon character Nobita, where he too feels that everybody around him, including his friends, family, as well as teachers, are torturing him as he is weaker mentally as well as physically compared to them. Now, China, belonging to the Rubiaceae family, has extreme overstimulation of mind. These people are also extremely ambitious, but at the same time, they are very indolent, and thus they lack the efforts needed for achieving their ambitions, and thus they fail and feel hindered or stuck. And when they cannot achieve their goals, they start fantasizing or building air castles in their mind. They now start imagining that they have already achieved their goals. These people start daydreaming and constantly keep on imagining themselves as a hero. Now, two remedies which come very close to this type of daydreaming of China is natrum mur and sulfur. But the main difference over here is that natrum mur keeps on thinking about past disagreeable occurrences, and sulfur thinks himself as a hero when they are humiliated or insulted. Now, this same fantasizing nature is also seen in cartoon character Nobita, where he keeps on dreaming himself as a hero and a successful person, which in reality he is nothing. Now, China individuals are such that they always blame others for their failure and never blame themselves for their failure, and thus these people start becoming contemptuous or developing hatred about others around them, as they feel that others are holding them or hindering them from achieving their goals. Again, we see this in Nobita's character, where he develops hatred for all his friends, teachers, etc. Another important feature in China is that their timidity. Now, these people are extremely timid, fearful, and lack of courage is there in all the China individuals. Now, slowly and steadily, when these people keep on failing in whatever they do, they lose courage and slowly start getting indifferent towards their goals. Also, China has several fears like immense fear of dogs, or rather many animals for that matter like cats, etc. This fear of dog is again remarkably seen in Nobita's character from the series Doraemon. This timidity and lack of courage slowly ends up in suicidal tendency. Because of failing constantly, these people now start getting suicidal thoughts. But the main characteristic over here is that these people lack courage in actually performing the act of suicide, and thus they never commit suicide. Now, China or Cinchona as an individual is also very reserved. These people will never open up in their first meeting. They first evaluate the opposite person's genuineness and sensitivity, and only then they open up and tell everything about them, even in their case taking. This is also seen in their relations. These people always try to form deep relations, unlike the superficial relations which are formed and maintained by fluoric acid people. If you want to know more about fluoric acid, please do watch our video already made upon it. So now that we have understood the various mental aspects of this remedy, let's try and have a look at the action of China on different organs of the body. Now, China is a remedy which is known for its action on GI tract, CVS, that is cardiovascular system, as well as in the cases of fevers. Thus, these three form the main sphere of action of this remedy. So now let's understand the action of China on each organ separately. China is an excellent remedy for GI tract and belongs to Nash's trio of flatulent remedies. Thus, flatulent colic is one of the main symptoms of China. There is great distension of the abdomen which causes pain, which is better by bending double. Patients also have belching of bitter fluid or regurgitation of food which gives no relief. China also acts really well in right hypochondriacal pain caused by various pathologies like gallstones or that of liver like jaundice, etc. In such cases, China patients pass yellow, frothy, and painless stools with undigested food particles in it, especially during night. China also acts really well in the cases of acidity caused by overdrinking of tea where the patient experiences vomiting of undigested food. Now, China or cinchona is a remedy which is most famously known for its wonderful action in the cases of intermittent fevers like malaria. Now, in intermittent fevers of China, the patient has a marked prodrome and anticipating chills. That is, these chills appear way before the fever develops, and the patient comes to know when the chills develop that the fever is going to appear. Now, chill stage of the fever is very predominant, and chills occur generally in afternoon, and they begin in the area of breast region. Now, patients usually have immense thirst during the chill stage. The chill stage is followed by the heat stage, which in turn is followed by the sweat stage, which is marked by drenching night sweats. Also, in China fevers, we see a marked periodicity where the fevers repeat after every 7 or 14 days, but the fever is never present at night in the China people. China is also an excellent remedy for the circulatory system and has an immense action on the blood where it makes it thinner and impoverished. Now, China is also a marked remedy for anemia which is caused by loss of vital fluids. This loss of vital fluids causes extreme weakness and debility in them. Now, at the end, let's have a look at the three important confirmatory symptoms of the remedy China. The first one is that these people have a great sensitivity to touch, but better by hard pressures. China individuals also have an intense craving for highly seasoned food, dainties, or sour or sweet things. And also, China is a remedy known for its immense weakness in people which were once strong and robust. This was all about China. We hope that this video might prove helpful to you all in understanding as well as remembering the remedy. So if you guys have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our content.